we are back with part 3 of our trip to Guyana. Today we are heading to the countryside. Join us and the amazing dancing macaw as we take you on another amazing adventure. Guys, welcome back to J-Rock and Gabber TV. Today we're going to the countryside of Guyana to a place called Parika. Come on with us.
Yes.
It's gonna be an amazing time.
Yes, a fun adventure.
Ready? Hi guys, we're going to Parika. There's a lot of trees everywhere. Yeah, a lot of fruit trees.
Yeah, and we're gonna go pick it. I'm excited. I really want to. I'm hungry already.
Yeah.
You're hungry?
Yeah, making me hungry.
Hey guys, we're on East Bank Road. We're heading onto the Harbour Bridge.
Yes.
I think we're about to go on it right now.
Yes, we're almost there.
Almost there. Going on to the Demerara Bridge.
The Demerara Harbour Bridge.
We're going on the Demerara Harbour
And
Bridge.
guess what I'm gonna bring with me? I'm gonna bring this fan.
You gonna bring the fan?
Yeah, this. You wanna see it? Look. Ah, nice wavies. Do you want me to wave it at you?
Demerara Harbour Bridge spans the Demerara River about 3 miles south of the Guyanese capital of Georgetown. At the time of its construction, it was the longest floating bridge in the world, stretching for 6,074 feet, 1,851 meters. It currently ranks as the 4th longest floating bridge in the world. The bridge was commissioned on July 2nd, 1978, with the majority of Guyana's population living in or around Georgetown. The bridge was a vital transportation link across the Demerara River, connecting the main part of the capital with West Bank Demerara. Parika is a port township located in the Essequibo Islands, West Demerara region of Guyana. It is popular for its ferry service operated by the Ministry of Public Infrastructure to and from the Essequibo Islands and the West Demerara area.
Parking with the bridge. Again, no KFC today.
Can we please go to KFC?
We're going to Parika. We're gonna eat some nice curry chicken.
I wanna get some KFC.
We're gonna have curry chicken with roti.
One KFC.
What is it? Show. What are you guys eating?
Korean rice.
And what's the name of this?
That's chicken.
Roti. What are you having, Gabby?
Salmon.
Chow-mein.
Hi, chicken. Hi, chicken.
Hi! Hi! He says hi.
Hi, chicken. Hi, chicken. Hi, chicken.
You want to eat the chili chicken?
Can we pet him?
Look, check that out. Look at it all coming out, they're all coming out.
I touched him.
Let's go see the parrot.
Parrot?
Yes. Hi! This is Tiki. Hi, Tiki.
Tiki? How are you?
Hi.
Tiki, say hi.
Hi.
Papa?
Papa? Where's Papa? Papa's not here. Papa.
Birds in Guyana Guyana would beautifully cover the sky with their various shapes, sizes, and captivating colors. One such bird is the blue and yellow macaw. This macaw is truly mesmerizing. From the moment your eyes spot it, you're awed. This majestic macaw captures your attention right away. The blue and yellow macaw, also known as the blue and gold macaw, is named for its beautiful blue body with a dark lemon yellow chest. We have a friend named Tiki.
It's okay, hold the stick. Don't drop it, Jaden.
Don't drop it, eh?
Good job, Jaden.
Papa, you want to see the turtle? Can I hold the other side? Oh, you want to see the
Tell me
turtle?
when your hands get tired, okay?
My hands are tired.
His hands are tired.
Come here. Get it! What is that? Get the thing.
Look, the father more afraid than his son.
You're not gonna allow two boys in.
Yeah, I guess.
You go?
Wow.
Who's that? Who got in?
2 person, Jaden, no? Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Jaden, move back.
Say hello. How are you? How are you? How are you? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
He's gonna pick you. You better leave him alone.
What's your name?
Don't tease it. Don't tease the macaw, okay? Hello. Hello.
Calling him Nazir.
Oh, Nazar, he calling you?
Come on, Zach, come get you.
You need help. He calling you.
I want to.
Gabby.
What's your name? It's your name. Guavo. Hello. Can I have it?
You feed him the guava?
Daddy, are you scared?
I don't want him to pick your finger.
Yeah, you try.
Or
Hello.
what?
Hello.
You calling her what?
Hello, you want some
You
guava?
calling her what?
You want something to eat? He's eating it. He's eating it.
You calling for her what?
I want. Let me do it. I want. Juicy? I want.
Look, look. It's time for lunch. That's Tiki's lunch. Lunchtime. What? Curry chicken? Tiki eating good. Yes.
Look. He going to Nazir to get it out. We're going into the boy just now and get some rice to feed him.
You wanna hold him? Hold Tiki. Do the dance. Let me see if Tiki gonna dance. Dance, Gabby. Yes, look, he's dancing. He's dancing. Yes. Go Tiki. Go Tiki. Say go Tiki.
Tiki, you want it?
Go Tiki.
Yeah, go Tiki.
Go Tiki. Go Tiki.
Tiki dance. Dance, Tiki dance.
Tiki having a good time. What? Go Tiki. Tiki showing off. Go Tiki. Tiki could dance.
Is it Tiki dance, Sherry?
No music, right? Go Tiki. Go Tiki. Go. Hi, Polly. You didn't say hi to Polly.
Where's Polly?
Look, Polly the parrot right here.
Hi, Polly. Now you see Polly.
Now we see Polly.
Tiki, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Mm-hmm.
She's showing off. Don't do that.
It looks like he's nice. He's shy.
Yeah, Polly's shy.
Polly's shy.
So the macaw is you and Polly's is Gabby.
Where
What do you
going?
think?
Huh? Where are you going?
Jaden, would you say you're the macaw and Gabby is Polly? With personalities?
Oh,
Yeah. Uh-oh. Tiki is visiting Polly. Hi.
hi, Polly.
Hi, Tiki.
Hi, Polly. Hi, Tiki. Hi, Tiki.
Tiki came to visit Polly. Don't pet him. You want to run away? He's gone. He waited to get. Aww. Look, Jaden is over here with the turtle.
Yeah. No, I have an idea. I have an idea.
No, Jaden.
Thanks. Yeah, thanks.
Didn't it bite you?
Yeah, right on. Yeah.
The turtle is resting. Yeah, the turtle is resting.
He wants to come out, but he's seen Jaden.
Rub the turtle back. Jaden, rub the turtle.
Cute.
Gabby, wanna go and rub the turtle's back?
No, it's okay, Gabby. Hi.
Now it's time to go and see the trees, the fruit trees, okay?
Gee.
Fruit
Let me pick
trees.
some.
You wanna pick some fruits?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to pick one fruit.
Jay. Yes, the
Wait,
guava.
wait, that's one of the trees?
Yeah. You wanna see it, Lo?
I want
Guava is a very common type of fruit in Guyana. The fruit is round or pear-shaped with light green, yellow, or maroon skin and white or maroon flesh that contains many small hard edible seeds. It is soft when ripe with a sweet musky aroma and creamy in texture.
It's on the tree. You gonna pick one? A ripe one.
this.
Yeah, they're green. They're green. Okay, you got it off?
You got one grape. I can have guava. Can I
Yeah,
have
Yeah, Daddy got a ripe one. Watch it.
In Guyana, the fruit papaya is commonly known as papa, cultivated in various parts of the country. It is a fruit with yellow or orange skin, sweet yellow flesh, and black seeds.
What about
And this one is breadfruit.
Oh, grapefruit?
Breadfruit. This is breadfruit, right? Breadfruit?
2 feet of water.
Oh, go. Polly,
Yeah, this is breadfruit.
Polly, get in.
Water? Okay.
Inside.
Here, this is a coconut tree right here.
Is it ripe?
I think it is.
Mom, can we go get one?
Okay.
Dad! Oh,
Okay.
Tiki! Wanna be a show off again?
Walk go forward, Gabby. Hi, Tiki. Bye. This is Tiki next door.
Bye, Tiki!
Tiki's watching us.
Wanna be a show off again?
You okay? Jaden, walk on the strip.
Anytime?
Come on, come on. Old kitty. Let's go. Before. You wanna hold him? Okay.
You don't want to be home.
Okay. Walk on the strip, Gabby. Go. You wanna go see the goat?
No.
Alright, good. We're not treating you bad. We love you.
We just wanna pet
We
you.
want to take you back to America. You want to come to America?
You want to come to America?
You come to America with Gabby and JJ?
Yes. You killed me.
Jaden, go back.
Hiya.
Thank you.
Alright, let's fight in show. Let's go.
Come on. Look. All right. Okay, let's go. The goat is ready to
We're
go.
dance.
Okay.
Go. There's fire
You see,
ants.
what is the big?
It's time to pick some cherries. They're gonna be juicy. The sweet burst of flavors that a delicious cherry can have in your mouth is ironic since it leaves a sour hint to the palate. That piercing red look is just as captivating as the juicy, mouth-watering taste that comes from this tiny, humble cherry. Hanging there on the tree, it tempts many as they pass to pick and eat. They are irresistible.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna try this cherry. Give me some up.
The first time eating Guyanese cherry. How is it? It's good?
But very sour.
It's very sour. Look, Nazar is picking coconut for us. We're gonna get some fresh coconut water.
I want coconut.
Let's go and see Nazar pick coconut.
Good. It's sour.
Ooh. Watch out, don't go too close, Gabby. First coconut.
That coconut. That coconut. Mom?
That's a coconut. Yeah, you could bring it. Okay, step back. We don't want the coconut to fall on you.
Coconut.
Yes. Let me see yours.
Coconut.
Coconut.
Is it ripe?
Yes, it is.
Woohoo! Ripe coconut. When can we eat it? Can I go wash it, mommy? Can I go wash it, mommy?
Huh?
Can I go wash it?
You wanna go wash it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go wash the coconut. We can get some coconut water. It's really good. Yeah?
I know.
Refreshing. Gotta be some jelly time.
It's nice. Open.
How is it? Really? What's wrong with you? You don't like the jelly? These American kids.
It's so much fun.
You guys are cooling down after all of that hard work. Don't go too close. You can pick
You
them.
can put
Hello?
your hand, but whenever you see you come to pick, you gotta move your hands, okay? You want,
Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Tiki?
Hello.
good morning.
Good morning.
Dance for us, Tiki. Go 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 Tiki.
Go Tiki. Go Tiki.
Jaden?
Hello.
Hello? 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 Anybody
Bring
there?
him up.
Hello. Hi, Tiki.
Hey, bring him up.
Where's Nazar? Where's Nazar? Nazar? Say Gabby. She laughing. You laughing at me? Tiki, you're laughing at me? Tiki's kicks.
There we go.
Behave yourself, Tiki.
Behave yourself.
You are being naughty.
Tiki.
That's not right. You are being naughty. Come on. Hello.
Don't get out.
Nice macaw.
Go back in right now. Go back in.
You are being naughty.
Naughty. Naughty.
You don't have to be naughty. Be
You're
lovely.
naughty. No. Go back in. Go back in right now.
We love you, Tiki. Go, Tiki. Go, Tiki. Go, Tiki. Go, Tiki. Go, Tiki. Go, Tiki. Oh, no.
Hi, naughty. Hi, Tiki. Tiki, you look out.
You're naughty girl. Where you going there, boy?
They're playing tennis inside?
Really?
It's not good to be a naughty girl.
Hey, don't be a naughty girl.
You wouldn't get a boyfriend.
Stop it.
You will not get a boyfriend.
Look, go some more. Now, sir, this.
Let me go there.
Put it in the middle here. Yeah, put it over there. Tell her to put it there.
Gabby, put it there. Let him go there.
Open
Yes.
space, yeah.
Right there, Gabby. Right there. They're gonna come.
Look, Tiki dancing.
Gabrielle.
They're gonna come. If you put it over there, they're gonna come. Look, look, look. Tiki dancing. Tiki dancing. Go, Tiki. Go, Tiki. Go, Tiki. Go, Tiki. Go, Tiki.
Go back to the food.
Hey, Tiki.
Go, Tiki. Tiki's not hungry. Let's go inside. Tell Tiki bye. Leave the rice here.
Pour it out.
No, leave the bucket.
We do one more throw.
Bye, Tiki. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come tell Tiki bye.
And be careful.
Don't.
Here.
Let's go. After farm tennis. So after all of the outdoor fun, we're having some indoor fun now. The guys are playing tennis. Who's that, Jaden? Okay, so tell them about Uncle Ronald.
Uncle Ronald, Uncle Ronald's my uncle. And he's on vacation with us, and he's born in Guyana.
Uh-huh.
And he moved to America.
Yes. And now he's on vacation with us, right? Okay.
Give me your extra point then. Oh, 3-5, it's over 3-5-4.
They have ice cream.
What type of ice cream is this?
What does it look like, Gabby?
Is it strawberry with vanilla?
Vanilla? Yes. Ice cream time.
Go. Malika?
2-4 out of it.
You missed.
Daddy, you can go.
Cheers.
Let's do it all together now. 3. Let's do it all together. Mom, let's
You want to do it all
together.
together? Okay,
3,
1.
2,
8-3, right?
Cheers.
Guys, this is the line to get over the Demerara Harbour Bridge.
Yes. Okay, it's a long line. We're heading back home now. After a fun day.
We're in a traffic jam.
Pardon?
We're in a traffic Guys, did you know
Yes.
we're in a traffic jam?
We were in a traffic jam. Okay, what are some of the things we did today? Tiki and Polly.
We ate ice cream. We played tennis.
Uh-huh.
You know what? It was so much things. I don't remember.
You don't remember? Okay. I guess you have to...
Pastries and coconut.
The
I don't like it that
You don't like the jelly? But the coconut water was refreshing, right?
kind of refreshing.
Okay. Okay, bye guys. Thank you for joining us on our journey. Bye. This is the Demerara Harbour Bridge at night.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and give us a big thumbs up.